Hello, this motorhome is the Optima On Tour edition. It is 678 centimeters long by 230 centimeters wide. It will cost 77,000 euros nearly. And let's come inside. So what you see in the moment, lots of space in the entryway, and coming towards the back, we've got here German layout. Storage all the way around, window on either side. This thing here is to go in the middle down here. Note that this part here, which comes out, has been locked by these things. I've forgotten the technical term for them. The locks, this will come out like that. Reveals also a ladder, and you put this into there and have a ladder down here somewhere to get in. The steps have been used to have for storage, and up there you have got your wardrobe, and on the other side you've got storage as well. Right, coming towards the front, we have here lovely bright washroom with plenty of space inside, and a sensible sliding door. Unfortunately, the door slides like that. You see that? The door slides like that. There you go, that's its maximum point. The point of the door, I think, is to keep the toilet from getting wet. Right, coming out here, we've got the kitchen unit. This is very typically hobby. This comes down here, down there, 3 burners. Here we've got a sink, and here we've got a completely pointless and don't know what, which won't have serve any purpose. There we have a fridge, tower fridge, opens both ways from Dometic, and up here we have got a more storage. Now if you want to divide the bedroom from the other area, we've got a what do you call that, a curtain. It's well, the cheap curtain, but it's better than nothing. Under the kitchen we have got this, but we've also got, what's the point of that? What's that? It doesn't have any, don't know, no idea. You can't store stuff there. It's not. It doesn't have any decorative function, as far as I can see. Maybe I'm not very decorative. That's probably the problem. In the roof, we've got 2 skylights, and as you'd expect, storage down the front here. Lovely big table, as you always get with Hobby. And Hobby's got a particular design style to it, and this you can see quite clearly in this one. Note above all the kitchen as well. That's a very Hobby style. It is slightly different though to what they normally have. There isn't a flat floor, and maybe at this price range you can't expect a flat floor. What if you want to carry some more people with you? They do have the function of an extra bed, which I shall now demonstrate for you. That's not the extra bed, by the way. There it is. It takes up all of this space. That is an extra bed, and look how big it is. Not to mention the cost. Now, what you can do, as I always say, you get a blow-up one, and you mat an airbed, something like that. The airbed costs about, hey, I'll leave you a link to it. The one that costs about €8, and this thing here, I don't know exactly what the price is, but we're probably looking at well over 1,000 for it. So you could get 100 plus airbeds for the cost of getting one of them things. Maybe the airbed won't last as long, but I'm pretty certain that that thing won't last 100 times longer than the airbed. And the airbed can be soft, it can be very hard. With this, you've got one position only, and that is whatever it is right now. Right, anyway, 575 kilos of payload, but that is not in the garage. So that is misleading. It's overall 575 centimeters, and that's the size of the door, the 101 by 75 centimeters. Good, right. So there you have it. This door here comes with a bin in it and a place to hang your stuff up inside. There's also the I think you can also make a bed here. Yes, you can. See, there's a bar down there. You can also make a bed up front there if you want. So that's how you can sleep for, should you want to. Okay, thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that interesting. I upload every day at 21:15. So if this is the sort of thing that interests you, then if you're thinking of buying a vehicle, then you might want to have a look at this site. But for the moment, all the best from me in Germany. Bye for now.